Let's go through the code number 18 for sum. For this question, it give integer nums and a target. Let's try to find all of the combinations which have the sum equals to target. The thing is that, for example, if we have, for example, example 2, right? Example 2, we can for this 2, 2, 2, 2, if even these two choose from different positions, we need to return only one result instead of 4 results. So for this question, we can think about sort the array and then do like a two sum, right? So in order to convert to two sum, we need to convert to three sum, right? So what we're going to do is we have arrays sort nums. To sort that, then we can do, because we have four, we have two for loop and two sum, we use the 2 pointers, right? It's like 3 for loop. So will be n 3 power 3 time complexity. So the sort will not get our time complexity worse. So we are going to have this integer result equals new array list. Okay. Let's get n equals nums dot length. So we'll say if I smaller than 4, right? Then we just return result. And we are going to have for int I equals 0. I smaller than n minus 3 I plus. Okay. And here is the things that in the same for loop, let's say if this I is greater than 0 and the nums I equals nums I minus 1, right? Then we can continue the second one because these are considered duplicate, right? So we just continue. And in the second for loop, that is the second integer j equals I plus 1, right? And j is smaller than n minus 2, j plus plus. So we'll say if j greater than I plus 1 and nums j equals nums j minus 1, we're going to continue, right? So this will be the way to for the outer for loop, how to deduce. And then we have in the left equals j plus 1 and right equals n minus 1. Okay. And target numbers. This number, when we left the plus right, it may be out of the range. So we need to have some kind of tricky things that the value is long equals 1L multiplied by target minus nums I minus nums j. Okay. So I will say while left smaller than the right. So So we have three kind of scenarios. Is if nums left plus nums right greater than value, right? Then we need to do some. We need to have move the right pointer. Else, if this is smaller than there, right? Then we need to move the left pointer. That's the plus, yeah. And we'll say else. That means that get a target. So what we are going to do is that we are firstly use the result at list of integer, right? So we'll have arrays as list. So it will be nums I, nums j, and the nums left, nums right, okay? And here for the inner loop, we are going to move the left pointer until the left pointer they have different values, right? So what we are going to do is that we have while loop, while left plus one still smaller than right, and nums left plus one equals nums left. In this case, we can have left keeping moving the left pointers, and also we'll have while left smaller than right minus one, right? And nums right minus one equals nums right. We are keeping moving the right pointer, right? So in the end, when we doing the while loop, right? After we doing the while loop, we are at the end of the same value, duplicate value. So we are going to have left plus and right minus. Okay. So in the end, we just need to return result. So return result. Okay. So for this question, nums over here. What we need to do to think about is that it has dedupe in outer for loop dedupe and also the inner while loop dedupe. This is a tricky thing. The time complexity O n power 3.